Another car from Cars of Dreams, this 1974 Thing. This thing has been fully restored and it has Mini Cooper Starlight Blue base coat, clear coat paint on it. Has a 1600cc engine in it, 4-speed manual transmission. It also has new tires, wheels, and the window inserts. With the top on it, it actually closes up, or you can open it up. These are very unique. Best part, it is coming out of Cars of Dreams, selling at no reserve at our April Palm Beach auction, the 18th through the 20th. Here's an opportunity, pick yourself up a Thing.